Welcome to the video on improving your dating and relationship skills. Learn the importance of active listening in making women feel heard and understood. Discover how ignoring a woman after initial interest can create intrigue and increase attraction. Understand the importance of having options and talking to other women to make yourself more desirable. Learn how ending conversations on a high note can create anticipation and make women want more. Discover the technique of calling a woman by her name 3 times within the first 3 minutes of interaction to build a connection quickly. Learn how having a slight and subtle smile can make you more approachable and enjoyable to be around. Discover the importance of building familiarity and how complimenting a woman's choices and quirks can make her feel valued. Learn how to choose the right subjects to talk about with a woman to maintain a positive connection. Discover the importance of giving appropriate gifts, such as flowers, to show care and respect. Summarize the key points and provide a closing statement.